Our project is to write a program which is used for conducting exam in an organization. Let us consider we are going to conduct a general knowledge quiz, which is like it will ask who invented what. Okay. Here, before starting this, I have created a set of questions and answers, and I have placed it in a question dictionary. Okay. From this, you can understand that the key for the in the question dictionary is the question, and that is the item, and the value for that key is the inventor of that item. From this, we can conclude that inventor of ballpoint pen is Brio Brothers. Okay, let me start by printing these questions line by line. First, I will explain you what a range function is. Range of phi, that is, let me put it into a for loop. I missed. You can see I'm printing range of phi, and you can see the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will explain you why we are going to use range. Okay. Now we are going to start iterating over the questions dictionary. Using the function length, we can get the length of question dictionary, that is the number of questions in the question dictionary, and then we are passing the length to range function, which in turn returns values from 0 to the specified range that I have showed before. Let me make you one. Now what we are going to do is we are going to print all the questions. That is our motto. Before that, I will write a separator so that it will be easy for understanding. As the question dictionary doesn't contains the entire question string, we have to type it. Who invented? I is the index. Question dictionary dot keys gives the questions. We are questions in the form of dictionary, so we are converting it into list by passing it into list function, and then we are fetching the question, that is which is in 0th index in the list by passing this I index value to the list, so that if we are having a dictionary, we cannot pass index to the dictionary, and we cannot fetch item. We can fetch item only by giving the keys. Hence, to fetch items by passing the index, I have converted it into a list. That is, let me move this into a separate line for easier understanding by creating a list, questions list. In this, we got all the questions in the form of list. Hence, I have named it as questions list. From the questions list, we are fetching the first question using the index. That is, at first the value of I will be 0, hence this will be 0, and it will fetch the question at index 0. That is the first question. Now I am going to run the program. Here we can see who invented electric generator, but there is no gap between this invented word and the electric generator. Okay, now we are going to add some more lines of codes into this to make it look clear and good. Okay, I have added a space. Now I am going to introduce another thing for you. Instead of typing this 10 times, 20 times, we can simply write 10 star and the character. What this does is, this does the same thing as we have did before. You can see when you see the output. Before that, the question has no numberings, so I am adding it. Here we have added I plus 1 because I is 0, but the question number should not look like 0, 1, 2, 3. Hence I am adding on to it. I am converting the integer value into string so that it can be concatenated with the string, just like that, by using the plus symbol. I have saved the code. Now you can see everything looks good, but there is no space between the index and the question. That's all. Now everything looks good, and the line separators is very small, so we can increase the number. Let me set it to 20. Okay, now everything looks good.
That's it for this lecture.